It appears that manufacture of the new display for the iPhone 14 is about to begin, which is fantastic news. We have received information indicating that the iPhone 14 display is soon to be produced. And now I want to go over all the specifics. I also want to provide you guys the most recent information regarding the iPhone 14 release date, price and specifications. Now that we are ready to begin, let's think back to a few weeks ago. So following WWDC, we learned that the new iOS 16 will be compatible with iPhone 14 models and that new features like widget and modification to the lock screen would be available and share a photo collection on iCloud. Additionally, a brand new MacBook Air with the updated M2 CPU was released. However, now that the WWDC event is over, the Apple iPhone event will be the next big event, and a little bit later in the video, I have discussed when this is taking place. But now that the release date is drawing nearer, I have divided the stories and leaks for the iPhone 14 and the new iPhone 14 Max into one video, while the information for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max is another. I am going to concentrate on the specification for the new iPhone 14 Max today. However, keep a lookout for. So let's talk about the creation of the iPhone 14 screen and why it's crucial. According to a recent report, Apple is working with suppliers to complete components in time for the manufacture of the iPhone 14 models. According to this particular source, Apple is collaborating with both to make sure the screens they are ordering for the iPhone 14 are of the highest caliber possible. Bio has attempted to produce screen for Apple in the past, but the quality was not nearly up to Apple standard or the manufacturer was several weeks behind schedule, exactly like with the iPhone 13. So Apple had to postpone the contract with him. Vivo has previously tried to design screens for Apple, but the quality was not nearly up to Apple's standard or like with the iPhone 13. The manufacturer was several weeks behind schedule, forcing Apple to postpone the contract with Vivo. But this time, it appears that Apple, along with suppliers like Samsung and LG, has bought at least 5 million displays from both for the iPhone 14. Because it appears that Apple will soon high producing the iPhone 14 model in high volume, it is crucial to be aware of this news. And additional rumors, report images, and perhaps even a few videos of the official announcement should be expected. And with this new report, it does seem once more that Apple are targeting the iPhone 14 release date for full time this year or autumn if you are British like me, and we can expect to see new leaks and reports, possibly pictures and even the possibility of a few videos of the official iPhone 14 models. I am talking about the real deal here, not just mock-ups of 3D renders or dummies. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.